So let's discuss what is typecasting and what is the purpose of typecasting in real life scenarios. So what is typecasting? Typecasting is when you assign a value of one data type to another data type. In CSharp, there are two types of casting. One is implicit typecasting and another one is explicit typecasting. Implicit casting, it is an automatically process which is done by compiler and converting a smaller type to a larger type size. Implicit typecasting is handled by the compiler. The compiler determines whether a type conversion can be performed safely at compile time only. So as we discuss, in implicit casting, we are converting smaller type to a larger type size. So here, this is the sequence. We can assign a character value to a integer value and integer value to long and long value to float and float value to double. So we can assign smaller type size to a larger type size. It is also possible we can directly assign integer type variable or integer value to double value because double is bigger in size as compared to integer variable. So let's understand with this example. So here we have declared one variable myInt and the data type is integer. Now we are assigning myInt to myDouble. So myDouble variable is a double data type. So it will taken care by compiler only. So it is an automatic casting done by compiler only. So myInt value is assigned to myDouble. It is possible because integer data size is smaller than double data size in memory. So here with the help of console.writeLine, we are displaying the value of myInt as well as myDouble. That is nothing but 9. So let's understand this with one more example. So here we have declared one class program, and in class program there is a static void main method. So here we have declared one myInt variable and assigning a value to myInt variable and simply assign that value to myDouble variable. So this is automatic casting into double. It is done by compiler only, but here we can see that myInt is the integer type variable and we are assigning a larger value which is out of the range of integer data type. So at compile time only, it will throw the exception. So here console.writeLine, we are printing myDouble and myInt value to console. But as I said already, at compile time, it will give out of range exception because this value cannot be converted to int because it is a out of range of integer data type. So it will throw exception at compile time only.